my channel. Take myself from a solid 2 to a possible 7. In today's video, we're going to be testing out Five Below makeup to see if it works. For today, I'm going to be using my same primer, foundation, and concealer that I usually use because I don't want Five Below makeup to make my face break out. I'm going to be starting with my Morphe primer. For foundation today, I'm going to be using NARS in the shade Light 4. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10. Setting what we have so far with our Morphe setting spray. Starting out with the Five Below makeup, we're going to be using this eyebrow gel from the brand Second Love. This eyebrow gel comes with a little gel and then a little angled brush, but I'm going to use my own spoolie. I'll use the brush, just my own spoolie. Shaped my eyebrows the way I want them to look, and now I'll take the angled brush that comes with the gel and start shaping them. That came with it, but I'm gonna switch to my brush because it's a lot thinner to do the details. Overall, the eyebrows went over really well. Let's go to the next step. Next, we're using this highlighter brush and contour set from Beauty Intuition. $4. It comes with the brush and the palette, so I'm going to use the brush. With the fluffier side of the brush, we're going to do the contour shade. Taking the contour shade, just hollowing out the cheekbones. Considering it's a little too red for my skin, but other than that, it went okay. Now going in with the blush shade and the same fluffy brush and just doing the apples in my cheeks and a little on my nose. The blush wasn't super pigmented, but it went on. It's pretty good for Five Below makeup. For the highlight shade, I'm going to use the other side of the same brush, the more angled side, and just put it right on the tops of my cheeks. I like super blinding highlights, so let's see how this goes. highlighter went really well. It looks really good. Overall, we're having a really good experience. Now for eyeshadow, I found this beauty book by Profusion, and we're gonna use some of the things from in here. We have eyeshadows, blushes, and even some lipsticks. There's an eyeliner in there as well, along with some brushes and a little mirror. I think we're just gonna do like a small natural smoky eye, so I'm just gonna take a regular fluffy brush, start out with the lightest tan shade in the palette. Next I'm gonna take this kind of medium brown shade and just do the outer V kind of towards the middle. Plum-like shade and applying that still on the outer V but in a smaller radius. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm most comfortable with doing natural smoky eyes, so that's what I do most of the time. I'm trying to venture out. James Charles palette is coming soon. Blending okay, not too bad. And then going to take a pencil brush with that same first light tan color and go all the way under my eye. The same medium brown shade and going halfway under my eye. Plum color on the bottom lash line just at the outer corner. Now taking a bigger flat packing brush, I'm just going to go in with that first shade again and put it on the center of my lids. I'm going to try and put a glitter shade on top. Brush and going in with this rose gold color to go on the lid. I'm then going to take the eyeliner that came with it and just go along the top lash line. Working at all. So instead, switching up the eyeliner, going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And for mascara, we're going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume. Okay, so the mascara definitely coated the lashes, but they are not as big and bold as mine usually are. That's what we get for buying $3 mascara. Some cheap mascaras are good, just not this one. I finished the look off with some of this red lip color from the Beauty Book palette. It's not very red, not very pigmented. Doing one last spray with the Morphe. Okay everyone, so overall the Five Below makeup wasn't a total flop, but it also wasn't a total success. My favorite products were definitely the highlight. It's very blinding for a $4 highlighter. And also the brow gel. I feel like it did a pretty decent job considering. The matte shades from the eyeshadow palette also did a pretty decent job. They blended out right. They were definitely pigmented. But the glitter shades just did not come through. It looks like there is no glitter on my eye. Where did it go? And also the lip color kinda isn't there. It was supposed to be red, like the color of my shirt, and it is not. Also the mascara is not as voluminous and thick as I expected it to be. Other than that, it did a pretty decent job. It's safe to say I'm impressed with the Five Below makeup. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a big thumbs up in the likes. And also don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!